Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful light, kind of like soft purple makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And yeah, let's begin. So loves, welcome again. For this makeup look, we're going to be using our Morphe eyeshadow palette called Such a Gem. The number is 39S. And for the first color, we're going to be using this beautiful soft purple that you see here called Posh Boss. And we're going to be using a medium-sized fluffy brush, also known as a crease brush, to apply this color all over the crease of our eyes. Again, also known as a transition color. I wanted to enter here and say welcome or welcome back again, and I just wanted to say if you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer any questions or suggestions that you may have. For the next step, we're going to be using this beautiful deep gray that you see here. It's called Treasure Trove, and we're going to be using a small rounded brush to apply this to the outer V or outer corner of our eyelids. You see me here kind of drag it in a bit more than just the outer V, more so to like a little, about halfway into the eyelid, so that when I blend these colors out, it blends well together. Here you see me using the container of like my falsies eyelashes. Really, it's just the back part of it of these like Ardell lashes is more of like cardstock paper. You're welcome to use like a note card or an envelope, and really I just hold it underneath my eye every time I'm applying eyeshadow to make sure it collects any of the fallout, the excess product, obviously from the brush, and to make sure it doesn't fall onto my face or onto my foundation, because I apply eyeshadow after I've already applied foundation. For the next step, it is time to blend. I'll say it again for the people in the back. It's time to blend. Look, I don't care how long it's going to take you, whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or an hour, which is a bit of an exaggeration. But anyways, you're going to blend these two colors out. So you're blending out Treasure Trove and Posh Boss. And for this, you're going to use the medium-sized fluffy brush. Again, as I said, also known as a crease brush. I just use the same one since I'm blending these two colors out. For the third step, we're going to be using this beautiful soft purple that you see here called Lavender. I think they were trying to like similar to lavender. But anyways, it's called Lavender, and you're going to use a small flat brush to apply this all over the central part of your eyelids. Now here I say no setting spray is needed, but I think it isn't needed, but I think if you want to do one pump of setting spray, then you're more than welcome to. But either way, I was able to apply this onto, as I said, the main part of the eyelid, so from the inner corner to about a little more than halfway, to make sure it blends with the other colors, which you'll see here in a second. you already know, blending is key. Again, please do not miss a step. You need to make sure that all your eyeshadow looks smooth and well blended together to make sure it doesn't look choppy. We're almost done, but for the next step we're going to be using the same color, lavender, and we're going to be using the same small flat brush, but we're going to be using the tip of the brush to apply this to the lower lash line. In this case, I really fell in love with this color and I really wanted this color to be the one that stands out, so I'm not mixing anything I'm not combining any colors for the lower lash line. I'm just using the same color that we've just used, lavender. Last but not least, we're going to be using this beautiful white that you see here. It's more of like just a glittery, pearly white color from my All About Bronze eyeshadow palette by Essence. And we're going to be using a cotton swab, or you can use a small flat brush, like a puny flat brush, or a small rounded brush to apply this to the inner corners of your eyes. Now I do this because I always think that the white kind of like illuminates the look and it really completes the look. Alrighty loves, that's it. This is the final look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to hit that like button, please. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Kisses. Bye.